Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Medicare dental coverage online, setup guide step by step clearly. To activate Medicare dental coverage online, begin by visiting the official Medicare website. Look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on that button to access the login page. If you do not have an account, select the option to create a new account. Fill in your personal details as prompted, including your Medicare number, date of birth, and other required information. Follow the instructions to complete the account verification process. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the coverage section on the main menu. Locate and click on Dental Coverage to view available options. Review the details about Medicare dental coverage, including any plan specifics. If you're satisfied with the options, click on the Enroll button. You will be directed to a form to complete your enrollment. Fill in all necessary fields carefully, ensuring accuracy in your information. Review your submission to avoid any errors before finalizing your enrollment. After you submit the form, you should receive a confirmation message on the screen. Keep a record of this confirmation for your reference. Check your email for any additional communication regarding your dental coverage activation. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section for troubleshooting tips. Once activated, you can access your dental coverage information through your account and that's how you activate Medicare dental coverage online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.